here we got Thunder and Lightning. Always had the opportunity to get these cakes, but if you guys ever held one, dude, this is like so light. Both of these are so light, lighter than consumer fireworks type of shit. But yeah, this is Thunder and Lightning. Got them for free, so I didn't really get a bunch of them. So yeah, I got Thunder and Lightning. I'm gonna pop them together. I was recommended to pop them together. I believe one is color and one is a little boom boom. So I'm gonna light these up together. Thunder and Lightning, 350 grams. Gold top.